Why don't seniors play hide and seek with their folding shopping carts? Because good luck hiding when it always stands out for being the best. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best folding shopping cart for seniors. Tip 1. Look for a lightweight design. When shopping for a cart for seniors, it's crucial to consider the weight of the cart itself. Seniors may struggle with heavy items, so it's best to find a cart that's light even when it's empty. Look for carts made from lightweight yet durable materials. Tip 2. Choose a stable cart. Stability is a key factor for seniors, as a toppling cart can be a safety hazard. Choose a cart that has a wide wheelbase or a sturdy design that minimizes the risk of toppling over, even when it is fully loaded. Tip 3. Opt for easy maneuverability. The wheels of the cart should smoothly glide and be easy to maneuver. Look for carts that have swivel wheels in the front for easy steering. Some carts also have 3 or 4 wheels, which make moving up and down stairs easier. Tip 4. Consider adjustable height handles. Everyone is different, and what may be a comfortable height for one user may not be for the next. Therefore, paying attention to carts that offer adjustable handles may provide the most comfortable use for the senior in your life. Tip 5. Choose a foldable design. This feature is not only ideal for saving space, but it is also easier for the senior to manage. Having a cart that folds down to a compact size makes transportation and storage more convenient. Tip 6. Check weight capacity. Even though you're looking for a lightweight design, the shopping cart should also be capable of carrying a decent amount of weight. Make sure the cart has a sturdy build, strong enough to hold groceries or other items the senior usually shops for. Tip 7. Look for carts with easy-to-grip handles. A cart with an easy-to-grip handle can prevent strain and discomfort, especially for seniors who may have arthritis or other hand mobility issues. Thick and cushioned handles are generally better. Tip 8. Choose a cart with a locking mechanism. This is an important safety feature, as it can prevent the cart from slipping or rolling away, especially on inclined surfaces. Tip 9. Consider carts with a seat. Some shopping carts come with a built-in seat that can be very useful if the senior gets tired and needs to rest. Make sure the seat is sturdy and comfortable. Tip 10. Ensuring easy assembly. Some carts require some assembly, and it's best to choose one that doesn't need too many tools or complicated instructions to put together. Look for user reviews and see what previous buyers had to say about assembling the cart. Tip 11. Choose a cart with good aesthetics. Lastly, it's important that the senior likes the design and look of their cart. A pleasing look can greatly motivate the user to take the cart out for their shopping trips, so take into account their favorite colors, style preferences, and what they intend to primarily use it for before finalizing a model.